Okay, so Keyword Elite is now open, and I'm going to do the exact same example that I did with the pickup line, but I'm going to use Keyword Elite, and I want to show you the difference in speed. That is super important. I'm going to go to keyword search, and I will type in here the keyword I have chosen, or the market I'm investigating, because I want to find the right keyword. So in my case, I think it was, let's go back to my keyword tool to take the same example. It was pickup lines together, and then pickup woman. Let's paste it in here. Okay. I'm going to separate by a comma. So pickup lines, and how to pick woman. I will leave this checked to use the keyword in the engine, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to check Google suggestion tool. I can increase this, but I'll leave it to 500. I think it's good enough. Otherwise, I don't know, for me it becomes overwhelming when I have too much stuff. So I click on start. You will ask me for that little captcha, it's no problem. And Keyword Elite goes into action and starts looking for information. You can see it turning, like boom, look at all those keywords that it has returned. Okay, it's returning and it's looking at the searches. It's no problem. Awesome. It has found my funny pickup lines. There it is. Searches per month, 19,000. Very good. What was the other one? Sweet pickup lines. Okay. Where's sweet pickup lines? Here it is. Sweet pickup lines, guys. 9,000. You see the power of this, right? So it has already organized them all, and now it's looking at this. And if there is not a lot, it will say not significant, so I don't even have to worry about it and waste my time. So what I'm going to do is I will choose, it's still running, but okay, for this example I want to go fast. I'm going to choose those top ones, okay, until 2,000 searches a month, even though, yeah, okay, that's fine, 2,000. Probably the first one is a waste of my time. I shouldn't have done it because it's huge searches. But those ones are pretty good. Okay, even that one, 19,000, funny pickup lines. Okay, so I have selected those keywords, and I'm going to right click on it. And what I would do is I will send keywords to Search Engine Dominator. Okay, so you have selected all the keywords. In one click, I choose Google, and then I click on Start. So now Search Engine Dominator is running. And look at that, So that's retrieving all the information we need about the level of competition, about the Microsoft OCI, about the estimated monthly clicks, and the monthly searches. I'm gonna let this running, and I'll come back when I have all the information. So this is what I did, guys. I chose funny pickup lines, and I clicked on calculate. And now Keyword Elite is calculating the competition strength, and it will give me back a result, and I'll show you how it works. So up is analyzing 100%, and boom, awesome. It has given me a number and either check mark, and it has given me a green check mark, which basically tells me go for it, because the competition, it's a low level of competition and they're not too strong, so you should be able to rank for that keyword. And remember, guys, in my previous example, I showed you that they were around 30,000 as a phrase match, okay? And even though there were a lot in broad match, I had to analyze it. So I would have had to go through every single site and find out and decide and make a decision, okay, are they good? Here, I don't have to think, because that's the power of Keyword Elite. I just click that button, it tells me a number, which is good, is a low number, and it gives me a check mark, okay? Now I'm gonna do it for the other one, sweet pickup lines. Click on that, calculate. Okay, so in this example, it told me 47, and it gives me a warning saying, okay, it's doable, but be careful. Let's go to cheesy pickup lines. See how fast that is, guys? I mean, seriously, you don't have to look at all the pages and analyze and maybe make a mistake. You just let the software do that for you, and sure, it's not going to be perfect, okay? It's impossible. It's never going to be 100% accurate, but this is not about that. It's about, I mean, if you want to go for sweet pickup lines, go for it and see what happens. But here, it's about finding the right ones to start with and to start making money as fast as possible. So if I were to do those three, what will I do? It gives me a warning sign, 47, 50, and then the other one, check mark 40. It's a no-brainer. I'm choosing the one that says 40, and it's funny pickup lines. Okay? Good pickup lines. Let's see that one. Okay, so here it is, good pickup lines, 37, green light. That's great. So what I'm gonna do now is I clicked on that line, and it tells me the top 10 websites, gives me the domain name, and then it tries to tell me the page title. So for example, I can see that they have pickup lines, they're optimized for pickup lines, but not so much for good pickup line, except this guy on position 10. Okay, it tells me the PR, page rank, it's extremely important. Boom, in one go, tells me everything I need to know. I mean, there are a lot of PR trees, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. So, yeah, it's interesting. It's still retrieving the data. That's why it's still running. So I don't have the data yet, but it will tell you, okay, what's the amount of backlinks, and then it gives you a bunch of information about the optimization of those sites themselves, such as the optimization, the on-site optimization. So extremely useful. But for me, the most important is this right here that you saw, because I was able to analyze 4 keywords quickly that looked promising, but out of those 4, I might just go for those 2, and then I will decide, well, which one can I make the most money from? Something that says good pickup lines or funny pickup lines. Which one will be more likely to buy something? Like if I'm searching something on Google, am I looking to buy something if I type funny pickup lines, or I'm looking to be entertained? How about good pickup lines? Am I looking to buy something? I think so, more than funny pickup lines. So I might go for good pickup lines. And from that point, what you do is that you build a website. I will build a website.